He's never heard sounds like this before.
No one ever started him singing the kid?
Oh, yeah, we do, yeah. Good morning, Mr. Ethan.
What do you have to say? Tell me all about your parents and what they're doing to you. Are they? I get it. I know how parents can be. They can be totally annoying. Right? Of course,
He's like, please take me away. Please take me away.
Trying to get up again? You want to do it all by yourself, I bet.
Oh, look, he's going to climb up.
Gonna climb up?
Climb up Eileen's leg.
Gonna climb up what? Oh, your hairdo.
He's got a little more hair than last time.
Oh, yeah. It's that perfect kind of hair for baby.
Baby hair.
Baby hair.
Hey, you got some baby hair?
You think he could borrow some?